All right, we're going to unbox a pair of AirPods Max. You can get these Prime on a special deal on Amazon right now. A little bit cheaper than you would at the Apple store, and they come in this magnetic case, which is super cool. Just kind of pops out like that. There they go. And that's your case. All right, so it's got some plastic stuff on it. We'll take that off. But maybe we got to put it on this way. Let's try this side. See if it works. Oh, look, these came off. Oh, there we go. All right, so I just flipped it around. These things were in there, and I think it was impeding that. So that's on there. Pop it off just like that, and there you go. You got your AirPods. And of course, these basically work just like regular AirPods. You just, connect them to your your phone, and bam, Bob's your uncle. They're super comfortable. All right, let's see what else they come with. They come with, believe it or not, oh look, it's the old style. So that's how you plug it in down here. And it looks like it's already ready to go. We just gotta connect it. Just put that in there to charge it. And I think this is a USB-C, so you're gonna need the USB-C block. And I don't see a block in here. Nope, it doesn't come with a block. So that's kind of disappointing, you know what I mean, jelly beans? But yeah, that's everything that comes in here. I mean, I think this is the directions for it, AirPods Max, and it tells you all about how to use them. But it's pretty self-explanatory, and we'll show you how to do that. But yeah, you might want to keep that just in case. I think it's got a warranty in here somewhere. And you might want to keep the box, because I think it's more valuable if you have the box, later on in life when you want to sell it as a collectible 40 years from now, when we have implants in our brains and we don't need these anymore. But let's go ahead and slide that back in there. And yeah, so that's it right there. Bam, Bob's your uncle. And again, these, I think they turn this way. Okay, so they turn that way. So they turn one way. You can only turn them one way. See that? So they're like this, so you got to go this way, right? And then to put them in there, you slide them in just like that, and then that snaps on there. And then you can put them back in your box to store it. But that's it, all right? If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.